This is Rebecca with Digital Thinker. In another video, we reviewed how to record non-PO receipts in Hexagon EAM. In this video, I will discuss how to process a PO receipt for parts. From the Materials menu, navigate to Transactions, then PO Receipt. First, going to enter a description. Then you'll need to enter the PO number. Doing so will populate the supplier and the store. To receive against a PO, the status of the PO must be in a system approved status. Here I have a PO to restock materials in my central store. Next, you can populate the received by, and I recommend entering the supplier's packing slip reference. Once the receipt is created, you can navigate to the Packing Slip tab or skip that step and go directly to the active lines. The Packing Slip allows you to retrieve the PO lines that are still open. If the supplier sent a partial shipment, you can remove the lines not included in the Packing Slip. Once the packing slip has been recorded, proceed to the Active Lines tab. For each part being received, the receiver will need to enter the receipt quantity. There is an install parameter, RECV Auto, that can be turned on to automatically populate the quantity. At this point in the process, the receiver should be counting the materials in terms of the UOM, comparing that against the packing slip, and entering the receipt quantity. If the materials are for stock, a bin must be populated. Depending on how your environment is configured, direct materials may be issued directly to the associated work order. Therefore, a bin would not be designated. Once each line has been updated, you can proceed with approving the parts. What does this do? Well, let's look at the store transactions. As you can see, a receipt transaction has been recorded for each of the parts. If the part was received into stock, the quantity on hand in the bin will automatically update. If the part was issued directly to a work order, the parts issued will be automatically updated. It is important that PO receipts are recorded so purchasing data is accurate. If we were to manually update the quantity on hand for this part and not record a PO receipt, the PO will not update and the PO lines will still be active. Multiple PO receipts can be recorded for the same PO. Also, PO receipts can be created and recorded on the Digital Work mobile application. If you are using the EAM offline application, users will have access to open PO receipts that are unassigned or assigned to their associated employee. Thanks for following along as we reviewed PO receipts in Hexagon EAM. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.